Simplifying log equations worksheet. Use log properties to find the exact value of this. This says, to what power do I take 2 to get 2 to the 7th? Well, the answer's got to be 7. Another way to look at this, the log property says if you got a power, you can bring it down, and it would be 7 log base 2 of 2. And so this says, to what power do you take 2 to get 2? The answer is 1, so this is 7 times 1, which is 7. Now, this says subtract, and the log property says if they got the same base and you subtract, you divide, so we get log base 8 of 16 divided by 2. Well, that's the log base 8 of 8, which is 1. To what power to take 8 to get 8? 1. And when we rewrite a number in base e, we just take that number, 7.3, ln of it, and put it on the power, and that makes this be 7.3. 7.3 in base e would be e to the ln 7.3, so that's just 7.3, exactly. Write these as sums or difference of logarithms. So we're going to try to expand this. Take it from a single log to many logs. If you divide the log, a single log of a division problem becomes the log base 2 of the numerator minus the log base 2 of the denominator. And when we got a power, we can take it down, so it would be 2 log base 2 of x minus log base 2 of x minus 2. This is multiplied. We can't bring this power down because it's not on both of these, so we have to first take care of this product. So this becomes log of 5 in base 5 plus the log of x minus 3 to the 2 in base 5. And the log base 5 of 5 is just 1. And this we can bring the power down, so it's going to be plus 2 log of x minus 3, base 5. And now we have it as broken down as much as possible. ln is just a log in base e, and when we got division, we do subtraction, so it's ln of x squared minus 1 minus ln of 3x minus 2 squared. Now, not obvious, x squared minus 1 factors to x plus 1 and x minus 1. So if we got a natural log of a product, it becomes ln of x plus 1 plus ln of x minus 1. And then the 2 comes down on this, minus 2 ln of 3x minus 2. Write as a single log. So now instead of splitting it all out, we're going to put it back into a single log. So the 2 goes up to a power on this, and the half goes up as a power on this. So it becomes ln of x minus 1 squared minus half means square root, so ln square root of x, or x to the 1/2. And then when you subtract logs in the same base, you divide it, you get the single log of a division, and it's going to be the positive one, which is x minus 1 squared over the minus 1, or x to the 1/2. We put the power up, so this becomes x cubed, log base 7 of x cubed, And no power to go up here, so log base 7 of x minus 5. And when you add, you multiply, so this becomes log base 7 of x cubed times x minus 5. You can leave it like that or call it x to the fourth minus 5x cubed. This one, the power goes up. 0.2 is 1/5, so this becomes log of x plus 3 minus log x to the 1/5, or the 5th root of x. And when you subtract, you divide, so this can be log, and this is base 10 always, so this is base 10, so it's log of, and when you subtract, you divide, so it's x plus 3 over x to the 1/5, or we could write it log base 10 of x plus 3 over the 5th root of x. And here, rewrite this in base 10, so this would be log, which is in base 10, of 7 over log in base 10 of 4. Or you can rewrite it in base e, which would be ln of 7 over ln of 4. And then find the decimal value, and you could do either one of these on the calculator. Where'd my calculator go? Here it is. And it doesn't matter whether I type in, do the log base 10, log 7, close parenthesis, divided by log 4, or ln 7, close parenthesis, divided by ln 4. You know, so you get the same answer. The decimal is 1.403677, blah, 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 blah. And how about this one? Well, this is in base pi, so it becomes log of e divided by log of pi, or ln e divided by ln pi. And this, to what power did I take e to get e? That's 1, so it's just 1 over ln pi, which is what this should be. Let's see if we get the same answers here. Oop. Log of e is on the divide key. Log e divided by log pi is that number. You can do ln e divided by ln pi, get the same number, or we can do 1 divided by ln pi, we get the same number. And that number is 0.87356.